Hello guys, welcome back to Olympus Mons. And I've come up with another solution for another heat tab that will tell you how to solve that particular heat tab. So let's go to that. So today we'll talk about this text add, find brand and shopping related terms. So let's go to the first screenshot. It's here. It's a Zuhor Audi A6. So obviously Audi is a brand. So right, Audi in this brand box. Second, upright exercise by Costco. So Costco is a brand. So right, brand's easier, right? Okay. Next, it's you can say this. It's not sure. It's jumbled. It's in another language. So it's not English website. So right here, it's in not sure. The mass mobile area clients. The mass mobile is a brand. Okay. So but here it is another area clients. You can see this. It's in different language. The research indicates you can see this. Also, search result gives you result in different language. So, mass area clients write all this in, not your box. Okay. Let's go to the next. The Roomba Black Friday 2020. So, brand is a Roomba, not brand, but the Black Friday is a purchase intent. Okay, so people want to buy things on the Black Friday because of they give so much discounts on this day. So it's a as user is looking to buy something, right? So Black Friday will be in the purchase intent box here. Okay. So bricks improver liver. All these three you can see this is in different language. Okay, not in English. So put this write all these three in the not your box. Okay. Fresno Ford dealership. So you can see this obviously Ford is a much popular brand. So anyone can recognize this. So write this Ford in the brand box. The round up settlement. So it's not sure. Goal is a settlement. I was wrong in this. So write settlement in a not sure box. Not all this round up settlement. I put this one and I was wrong this. So don't do this. So just put settlement in this not sure box. Next, Premier Inns that Stratford upon A1 UK. So here, the brand is a Premier Inn, not A1. I was wrong in this. I put this A1 as a brand. I took this A1. It's not a brand, but Premier Inn is a brand here. So write this Premier Inn in the brand box. Okay. So here there is no any applicable term. I just meant it as it, but here is not integer or invalid. So you can say this. I was no applicable terms here. So as gets are reversible terms that should not be not so. Okay, so main goons. So you can say this. If you are given this query, so write not sure. There will be no applicable terms. So just click submit. Do not put anything in this three box. So just click on submit. Okay. So action grabador de pantella, you can see this, it's in different language. You can obviously see this. So write all this four terminology in this noster box and you will be absolutely right. So www.marriage.com, it's a brand. Hold this, the website is a brand. Meditrade is a brand. So write in this brand box. Get outside shoes, Canada. So you can see this, get outside is a brand. Yes, it is a brand. So write this get outside and this brand. So Comfort Hotel Frederickson. So you can say Comfort Hotel Frederickson. All these three you had to write. Not only Comfort. I wrote this Comfort. I was wrong in this. So write all this Comfort Hotel Friedrichshafen. All these three terminology in this brand box. So you'll be right. Brother NFC compatible toner wholesale. I was wrong in this. Actually, Brother is a brand. Because I was wrong. I don't know why they are given it wrong. Purchase this buy wholesale is a purchase intent. But you can see this also Brother is a brand name. I don't know why. But just write this as given this. So buy wholesale is a purchase intent. And this one, I successfully found this and I just started judging it. So thank you very much for listening to this. Have a nice day.